Alright, I got these random packs at the Pokemon vending machine at Kroger. Usually whenever you go check, it's always sold out, but I went one day and they actually had stuff. Well, they only had these, but hey, better than nothing. So we got 2 Destined Rivals and 1 Surging Sparks. Ooh, I'm hyped for this set. I love Team Rocket. Team Rockets, they're just super cool villains. Like the OG, nothing's gonna beat that. Alright. The chase card's Mewtwo, but honestly, I want the Moltres, man. Like, that Moltres is clean. So let's see what we get. Ponyta. Oh yeah, the Marnie stuff. I think these are new in the set. So Marnie Scraggy, Mudbray, Balloon, Team Rocket's Factory, Ogerpon. Ogerpon is like in every set, dude. Lurantis, Growlithe. I like that. It looks like a toy or like a sticker. Team Rocket's Ariana and Team Rocket's Tyranitar. All right, it's pretty cool. All right, second one. I'm hoping for at least 1 hit out of these 3 packs. But getting these at what, market price, still a win to me, so. Clean Pearl, Ponyta again, Scraggy again, cool. Mudbray, alright, same comments. Fortress, Floatzel, Ariana again. Ooh, Team Rocket's Larvitar this time. Kangaskhan and Macargo. Alright, 2 rares or hollows. Alright. Surging Sparks. Can we end with something? Let's see. Swablu. Ooh, nice art on that one. Sandygast. Okay. Zweilous. Rotom. Nice. This is Appeal. I think the full art's in this set. That'd be cool to get. Azumarill, one of my favorites. Gravity Mountain. Rellor. Okay. Ho-Oh. Look at that. And Hollow Cofagrigus. Alright. So 0 for 3, but not bad. Kind of some cool cards. Just got these 3. Alright.